Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 stationary air tank available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Performance Tool Horizontal Portable Air Tank. Since portable air tanks were first made, we've seen an incredible evolution in their ability to deliver the power needed to operate pneumatic tools like grinders, staplers and nail guns. W10005. High-vis 5-gallon horizontal portable air tank with Tire Air Chuck's vertical molding process utilizes high-strength steel. This allows us to maintain the lightest weight of any 5-gallon tank on the market. This high-vis labeling helps ensure that this air tank is easy to find when you're in a hurry or working under low light conditions. So if you're looking for a 5-gallon air tank for your next construction project, get W10005 High-Vis 5-gallon horizontal portable air tank with Tire Air Chuck by Performance Tool today. This tire valve-style tank will fit most tire valves on automotives, farm equipment, forklifts, tractors and boats. With a maximum PSI of 300 PSI, it will deliver 10 CFM at 40 PSI. Hose not included. Performance Tool. W10005 High-Vis 5-gallon horizontal portable air tank with Tire Air Chuck. When connected to a standard quick connect coupler and proper air hose, can reach anywhere from 11 to 34 cubic feet per minute at 120 psi. This translates to 275 watt-hours of power every minute with a 120-volt outlet. This means you will be able to use this air tank with a wide range of pneumatic tools and equipment that connect to standard quick connect couplers. Number 2. Big Red Torin Portable Air Tank. The Big Red horizontal air tank with 36 hose is the perfect choice for compressor use. This tank is equipped with a safety pressure bypass valve and air gauge, making it easy to monitor pressure and safe to use. The tank is also equipped with 4 feet long industrial-grade 1/4-inch male NPT air hose, making it easy to get the tank filled and disconnected from the compressor without draining itself out. The Torin Portable Horizontal Air Tank is a 7-gallon, 26.5-liter, air tank that has a max working pressure of 125 psi and can be used to handle general-purpose air applications. This truck-mounted horizontal-style tank includes an aluminum and die-cast steel construction, 36 inches hose with quick connect fittings, top vent and safety relief valve, rotary swivel regulator with protective cover, 6 feet. One of the most notable features is its pressure gauge, which displays your air pressure in both SI and bar. This makes it easy to view if your tank is operating at either too little or too much pressure, and it also prevents you from overfilling the tank by accident. For this reason, the tank also comes with an integrated safety pressure valve that shuts off the air completely when you release the trigger on your gun. Number 3. Craftsman Air Compressor. The Craftsman Air Compressor is an excellent option for anyone looking for a powerful air compressor with a 6-gallon capacity. It is easy to use and has a durable pump that is made for long life. This air compressor is also pressure sensitive so that it can handle a variety of applications. Overall, the Craftsman Air Compressor is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful air compressor with a 6-gallon capacity. If you have car or truck that is in need of a tune-up, you might be interested in an air compressor. This Craftsman Air Compressor, 6-gallon, pancake, oil-free with 13-piece accessory kit from Harbor Freight is all you need to get started in the world of air compressors. This compressor also includes everything you need to start playing around right away. This kit includes a charger and hose fittings so that you can get started quickly before having to do any research or run back out to the store again. This 6-gallon, pancake-style compressor has a continuous duty motor and reaches 150 psi max, with a max CFM of 6.5. The included regulator ensures you get the right amount of pressure, while the oil-free pump is great for everyday use in a workshop or garage. The air compressor also comes with a 1/4 impact quick coupler and heavy-duty 90-degree hose fittings so that you can get started as soon as possible. Number 4. DeWalt 27 Gal 200 psi portable air compressor. To keep up with the demands of paint sprayers, you'll need a larger portable air compressor that can meet the challenge without sputtering out. This vertical air compressor from DeWalt offers the performance you need while retaining portability, thanks to 2 wheels that allow you maneuver the tank like a dolly. Use it for spraying paint on household projects or for automotive painting. This air compressor for painting has a 27-gallon tank and a maximum 200 psi. At 40 psi, you can expect airflow at a rate of 6.8 scfm, enough to keep pace with the demands of painting using HVLP spray guns. If you need to bump things up to 90 psi, you'll still have a respectable airflow of 5.1 scfm. While it provides plenty of air power, this oil-free compressor also boasts a 78 decibel sound rating, saving some strain on your ears during operation. DeWalt makes sure that professional standards are met and lots of time and effort is spent in the research, design, engineering and manufacturing process. The engineers make sure that these air compressors have no problems with strength and durability. If you're looking to get a heavy-duty air compressor, then reach out to DeWalt. Number 5. WEN Portable Vertical Electric Air Compressor. While the majority of portable air compressors on the market are oil-free for easy maintenance, an oil-lubricated air compressor, like the WEN 20-gallon oil-lubricated vertical air compressor, has its advantages. These compressors rely on lubricated piston chambers that must periodically be refilled with oil for a long life of service. However, this type of compressor may offer better durability and longevity, since components stay cooler as a result of the oil lubrication. This vertical portable air compressor from WEN offers a max of 135 psi, an airflow at a rate of 3.8 cfm at 90 psi, or 5.0 cfm at 40 psi. It can keep pace with high-volume air tools like HVLP spray guns or many pneumatic woodworking tools. The 20-gallon tank means it's not as easy to maneuver this portable air compressor, but 2 wheels make it easy to tilt and wheel it around your garage or shop. For when you need a powerful, quiet and efficient air compressor with a high duty cycle, the WEN 2202T 15-amp 20-gallon oil-lubricated portable vertical air compressor is your best bet for accomplishing your tasks. With a steel tank constructed to withstand up to 135 psi, this compressor is sure to last even under heavy use. The airflow rates of 3.8 cfm at 90 psi and 5.0 cfm at 40 psi are great for maximizing efficiency in this machine. Thanks for watching the video.